Road safety is what we've always believed in, and right now, keeping all drivers and passengers safe on and off the road has never been more important. And while you're thanking us for sending 50 dash cams into the hands of healthcare and frontline workers across North America, we want to thank you for keeping us safe, keeping us protected, and keeping us fed. The work you're doing means everything right now, so thank you. You are all heroes, so thank you. Our Frontline Hero 10K giveaway has ended, and we'll be announcing our 50 winners between May 16th to June 1st. We'll get through this together. So let us take care of you while you take care of us. Thanks for watching.